First, you gotta ask yourself, what have you done with your art in the past 5 years? And just sit still and feel the feelings. What do you feel? Is it joy? Is it pain? Or perhaps indifference? Now you gotta realize that that was then and this is now. What are you gonna do with your artwork right now? Over the past 5 years, I've created an online animation library with hundreds of videos that have generated hundreds of thousands of dollars. Not only that, I've created all the animation that you're watching right now along with this video single-handedly, completely alone, with absolutely no assistance. I did this and so much more, and I'm telling you that you are more than capable of achieving this and so much more. You see, pointing the finger at procrastination may feel nice, and scrolling and searching for motivation may feel nice, but as the time passes and nothing gets done, well, you tell me how that feels. There is a law, and it's called growth. Growth occurs through the combination of development and progress. And you've all grown great and proceeded to progress at developing a bad habit. You want to know what that is? It ain't procrastination, because that's just a buzzword now. Let's be simple. It's not doing what is necessary to achieve your objective. You only really have two choices. 1. Keep watching what others are doing and wishing you had what they had. Or 2. Create your art and go through the procedure of development and progress to experience real, substantial growth. Now that may seem obvious, and for some, maybe even you, it might feel hard or even impossible to do. Well, that's simply an old habit that needs to be kicked. So whenever you feel like crap, know that it's got absolutely nothing to do with your art, how good or bad you are, or how nobody seems to notice whatever you do. All it is an old habitual pattern of thought. Either fight the feeling and move forward, or sink back into the slumber of suffering. The choice is yours.